Nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself. I am Orin Widiarti, a postgraduate student of Public Health at Haloleo University. I will present one of my college assignments, namely a journal review entitled. Hopefully, this video is useful and provides knowledge for all of you who watch it. I hope you watch it until the end.
I would like to thank our lecturer, Mr. Ramadanto Sepu, SKM MCAS PhD, and my journal review entitled Analysis of Difference in Early Detection of Chronic Kidney Disease with Urine Creatinine, Protein, and Individual Health Status based on Behavioral Stress and Genetic Factors in Kendari City, Indonesia. For the introduction, chronic kidney disease, or CKD, is a risk factor for cardiovascular disease and is a silent killer, including in Kendari City, Southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia. Several studies also have stated that poor diet, drinking not enough water, irregular medication, lack and physical activity, and a family history of illness affect individual health, including chronic kidney disease. However, whatever these variables can be used as parameters for implementing early detection in chronic kidney disease has not been clearly formulated. Moreover, what types of laboratory tests are effective for detecting kidney disease, whether with creatinine, protein, or simply by looking at health status, and in this case, it also not clearly stated. Therefore, this study aims to analyze difference in early detection of chronic kidney disease using urine protein, creatinine tests, individual health status which are associated with behaviors, psychological stress, environment, and genetics factors in Kendari City, Southeast Sulawesi Province, Indonesia. For the methods, the SAIN study is cross-sectional study design. Urine protein levels, urine creatinine, and health status are dependent variables. Meanwhile, behavior, psychological environment, stress, and genetic are independent variables. Behavioral factors include water consumption, calorie intake, herbal consumption, medication adherence, and daily physical activity. For the sample population is people aged 20 to 65 years and over who suffer from kidney disease in 2022 in Kendari City, namely 206 people. Sample size in study was 136 people. Use accidental sampling technique. Inclusion criteria for the sample were being willing to be interviewed and have a urine sample taken, not experiencing communication problems, not being seriously ill. And for the result is, this study suggests that there are differences between tests for urine protein levels, urine creatinine, and individuals' health status for early detection of chronic kidney disease, which is associated with behavioral, psychological stress environment, and genetic factors in Kendari City. For the first is protein urine. Protein urine can be used early detection of chronic kidney disease, which is related to daily water consumption, calorie intake, and psychological stress environment. For the second is urine creatinine cannot be used for early detection of chronic kidney disease. For the third is individual's health status can be used to early detection of chronic kidney disease, same as protein urine, with relating to daily water consumption, behavior of less than 100 ml a day, physical activity, and medication adherence, and then psychological stress environment. For the discussion is the behavioral of consuming less than 1,000 ml of water a day, calorie intake of less than 1,534 calories a day, physical activity of less than 4 hours a day, non-compliance with taking medication, and stress. For the first is lack of consuming less than 100 ml of water a day, results in disturbed metabolic process and fluid balance in the body. Previous studies also state that consuming small amounts of drinking water also increases the risk of renal lithiasis, including urinary tract infection. For the second is a calorie intake of less than 1,534 calories is said to have caused disruption in kidney function, namely by increasing urine protein levels. This is in line with current research. It was proven that calorie intake did not have a significant effect on health status, but calorie deficiency increased urine protein levels. For the third is normal physical activity is between 5 to 8 hours a day. Low physical activity also has an impact on lipid metabolism disorders, so that this condition accelerates the occurrence of chronic heart disease. For the fourth is non-compliance with taking medication results in worsening individual health status. Previous studies state that non-compliance with taking medication, including people with hypertension, can cause blood pressures to become uncontrolled. For the last is the more stress an individual has, the more likely they are to be at risk of chronic kidney disease. Many research from the field of psychology show how stress mechanisms lead to chronic kidney disease. And for the conclusion is, for the first is this research has shown that there is a difference in early detection of chronic kidney disease between testing urine protein and creatinine levels, and then health status, which is associated with behavioral factors, psychological stress environment, and genetic. For the second is protein urine examination can be used to early detection to chronic kidney disease, which are related to insufficient drinking water consumption, daily calorie intake, and stressful psychological environment. For the third is, however, this method cannot be related to herbal consumption, physical activity, compliance medication, and genetic factor. Meanwhile, the urine creatinine level test cannot be used for early detection of the risk of chronic kidney disease, which is associated with behavioral factors, stressful psychological environment, or genetic factors. Okay, I think that's enough for my presentation. Thank you.
That's all I can say. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like and comment this video. Thank you!